Hey guys, back again. Got this package from bjmulli and a ton of locks in it. Thank you very much for that, sir. And I'm going to try this ace lock. Key's still mummied over here. I did take out the key from the Schlag to take a look at that, so if you want to take a look at that, very nice bitting on that key. Very nice. So this ace, looks like it might be like 50 millimeters or so. I'm not entirely sure about that. Well, let's try to pick this. Very nice ace brass padlock. Let's see what we got here. Haven't felt anything yet. I think there's a binding in here, but I'm going to try a thinner pick. See if I can get back there a little easier. So a Peterson regular hook, but just the flexi one. I think there's 5 pins in there. There we go. Gotta click off of pin 3, I think that was, or pin 4. Pin 2. Oh, I thought we had an open. That's a really deep falset. Really deep. Very nice. Okay, so really deep spools in this. Alright, got counter rotation on 1. I think. Okay, then it's open. Very nice. Okay, so there it is. Ace brass. 2.5 minutes. Let's get out the. Let's see. Where did I put it? There it is. Let's get out the micrometer here and see how wide this one is. Cause yeah, zero it out. There we go. Yeah, a 47, so yeah, 50 would be advertised size. So that confirms that. Very nice lock. Deep spools in it. Very nice. Would like to see those spools inside of there, but there's no way to gut it unless you actually totally destroy the thing. Let's take out the key and see what the key. I just want to try to grab these out without looking at the other one. The Schlag ones came out a little easier. There we go. Okay, so it looks like all pretty high cuts except for the one in the back, which is a low cut. Let's see if it works. And indeed it does. Both of them. Oh yeah. Okay, cool. Very nice lock. I like this. I like this ace lock. It's very nice. Thank you, sir. Really appreciate it. Everybody else, happy picking, and thanks for watching.